Hello, and we'll be learning how to make a simple number counter on Scratch. Start off by deleting the existing cat sprite and create a new sprite and call this the click button. We will use the sprite to increase how many clicks we are. Zoom in and create a button shape in the middle, right click and make sure the fill is black so that you can see against a purple background. Now once that's done, go to variables, delete my variable and create a new variable called click for all sprites. And then when flag clicked, we set click to 0 and then control forever check if touching mouse pointer, then we check if the mouse is down, then we wait until the mouse isn't down, and then we change clicks by 1. So we test it, it works, and it resets back to 0. Now this is good and all, but we want to make it look much better, so we're going to create a new sprite and we'll call it counter. And now write the number 1 in the middle and put it there and rename the costume to 1. Now repeat that from numbers 0 to 9. Make sure to rename the sprite 0 to costume 0. And now we can get started. Start by creating a variable called ID for this sprite only. Now we're going to set the size to 300% so that we can see it here. Now when flag clicked, we start off by hiding and go to x minus 69 and y 1. Go to x minus 70 and y 1 minus 150. So there, and then we're going to repeat 6 times, and we're going to create a clone of myself. But first we set ID to 0, and then we change the ID by 1 before the create clone, and then we change X by 35 pixels. And we're going to take when I start as clone, and we're going to use a show block. Now if we run it, we get these 6 zeros, but we want it to match this variable so that these zeros are incremented. So what we're going to do is we are going to check if, and we're going to check if the length of click is greater than the ID. If ID is greater than the length of click, we will just hide this clone, or else we will show, and then we will switch costume to letter 1 of click, and we switch it to letter ID of click. And if we try it now, we get 0 and it matches this click, and none of the other zeros can be seen. When I click once, this changes as well. So let's click 10 times, and the second 0 pops up, and at 100, the third 0 pops up. You can put this in your backpack and use it for any other projects you're making, and that's it.